Suppose we have this general equation of a circle, and we're asked to find the center of the circle, HK, and the radius of the circle, R. And notice that we have, if we rearrange some terms here, or just look, we have x squared plus 6x, and y squared plus 2y, but they're not perfect squares, so we're going to have to complete the square. Remember, to complete the square, we're going to add the quantity b over 2a squared for each of the terms we need to complete the square on. So let's look at the x terms first. We have x squared plus 6x. And so in order to find out what to add, we're going to look at b, and then a has a coefficient of 1. So b over 2a is b over 2a is equal to 6 over 2, or 3. So I'm going to need to add a 3 squared, or 9, to that to make a perfect square. And then that second term was y squared plus 2y. And so we have to figure out what to add here. In this case, we have b over 2a is equal to 2 over 2, or 1. So I'm going to have to add a 1 squared, or 1 there. So I think I'm ready to put it all back together again. So I have x squared plus 6x plus 9. Then I have plus a y squared plus 2y plus 1. Then I have the minus 6 equals, and I have to remember to add on the other side the 9 and the 1, so a 9 plus 1. Now this is now a perfect square, so that factors to x plus 3 all squared, plus this 2 has been made into a perfect square, which is y plus 1 squared, and then minus 6 is equal to 10. I'm going to add 6 to both sides, and I'm going to get x plus 3 squared plus y plus 1 squared is equal to 16. Now I just want to make one point here, that this 3 and that 1, if you notice in both cases that was b over 2a. So when we complete the square like this, we can instantly see that this factor is going to be x plus b over 2a, and this one's y over b over 2a, where of course the b over 2a is referring to whichever part we were completing the square, 1 there and 1 there. Okay, so we're almost ready to finish this. We have x plus 3 squared plus y plus 1 squared is equal to 16. We know that that form of the circle to get the center HK has to look like x minus h squared plus y minus k squared would be equal to r squared. So I need to rewrite those terms so they have this minus sign. So that's going to be quantity x minus a minus 3 squared, because minus a minus 3 is plus 3. And then that's plus y minus a minus 1 squared, because of course minus a minus 1 makes the plus 1. And that's equal to, well, 4 is squared to make 16. And so I'm ready to read the center then is minus 3 minus 1, and the radius is 4.